Again, I don't think this is probably testable material because it's just a bit of random knowledge, really. The qualitative analysis of metal ions in solution. So here you have the different transition metals when they form complexes. They give off different colors depending on how the complexes are. There's de-splitting orbitals going on if you want to look at this in a little bit more detail. But basically we have the iron 2 is sort of a green, dark green, iron 3 is brown, copper is blue, and nickel is light green. We also have most metals, so the transition metals usually are coloured, such as metal oxides or metals with other ligands attached to them. But if it's just a normal metal, sometimes it's just a white precipitate. You can't tell the difference. And so when you react them with hydroxide ions, you can also do further tests. So the magnesium will also form precipitate with ammonia, but calcium won't. And aluminium, the precipitate will dissolve if you add a little bit more of the sodium hydroxide to that solution. So in the lab, hopefully you'll have a dichotomous chart that'll take you through which is more realistic about how you would detect metals and non-metals, just like how you would dichotomously go through and determine what a species is or which disease you have in a med lab. That's more a realistic way to go about determining the type of ions in solution rather than just memorizing some random bit of info. Okay.